Join the 28-hour SQL Server Masterclass on the Udemy platform for only $15 instead of $89. Learn how to become a future developer or either a future DBA or performance expert on SQL Server with 150 exercises. Average rating for this course is 4.5. Okay? The link to the promotion is in the video description. Okay? Want to get started on SQL Server? Then join me. Ranking function. There are 4 ranking functions. The row number, unique increment within a partition. The rank returns the rank of each row within the partition of the set. The dense rank returns the row of rows inside the partition of the set, and the NTILE distributes the rows of the sorted partition into a specified number of groups. Maybe it doesn't matter to you, so I will show you this in the demonstration right away to make it much easier for you. I use the AdventureWorks database and I do a select with the format function and following the row number that we saw earlier in the previous demonstration. And if I run this query, I see my row number that is incremented here, so okay, for the number. So I'm going for a product ID partitioning. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the rank here and the dense rank that we saw earlier. You will see that it's not that difficult, it's exactly the same request for the row number and the rank and the dense rank. It's the same syntax that the row number. Okay? Let's execute this fantastic query. We see that for the row number partition, it starts to 710 for the row number 1, 2, 3, and so on. But once we get to 711, okay, it starts again to 1. Okay, it finishes at 710, and when it starts to 711, it starts to 1. Okay, it's for the row number column. What good is rank and dense rank if it does the same as row number? So we can see for the rank column, okay, here, it starts to 1, and you can see that on the left there is 710, and 710, but we have the 3 same value for the order date. Okay, for the 31 May, we have 2 same values, 710, the same order date, and the rank is 1, and it starts a new row for a different value in the order date column. And when it's a new value in the order date column, it starts to 4. Okay? For the dense rank, it's the same function than the rank, but it starts to 2. It's the big difference on the dense rank and the rank. Okay? So, in contrast, the dense rank repeats the values but continues from the following value. Okay, but it continued from 2. Same here, when it's the different value on the order date, the dense rank following it continued from 3, and the rank it's the row number 8, so it's the rank 8. Understand? This is the big difference between rank, dense rank, and row number. NTILE will, je reprends, 2, 3. NTILE will cut the ranking into pieces. Here I'm going to split my row out of 10 with the NTILE function. Okay, you can see that the syntax is quite simple. It's the NTILE function with the number. Okay, this number we split your row into your table. So let's run this query with NTILE. So here I have 266 rows, and so we're going to do 266 divided by 10, and you can see, we will see that at the 28th line we start at 2. Okay, and we see here that he repeated the value 2 until the 54 line, and then he continued from 3 and so on. So it divided by 10. And if I put here a 2, for example, so let's go to the row 133. So you can see that it divided by 2. Okay. So if you need these kinds of query to split into the number of buckets you want, you need NTILE. Okay. So in this demo, you see the powerful ranking function. Never forget this ranking function: row number, rank, dense rank, and NTILE. Okay. So let's go to the next demonstration.